So, how are you? So, what is your invention? Just give me in two sentences.
Okay, yeah, it is a triturator for separating the primary cells. The
Okay.
primary cells are the cells that we get them directly from animals or in human.
Okay.
And usually there are two steps for separating it. First one by adding enzyme, and the second one is by doing a trituration,
Okay.
which means like suction
Okay.
and then dispersing.
Okay.
Suction and then dispersing.
Okay.
And this we can do it for 150 times. So it is time consuming and it makes pain for
Pain.
our hands. So I said that we can make this machine.
So
in
this is
which,
innovation.
In which it is a triturator to do it like automatically instead of doing it manually, and we provide the pipettes, necessary pipettes.
Okay. So it starts like
Yeah, so imagine like
Okay,
it
sir.
will do it for 150 times the machine.
100.
50 times
50
instead
times.
of doing it manually.
Oh, so it will go very quickly.
Fixed force, fixed volume, and there is also sanity.
Thank you. So you are from
Jordan.
Jordan, mashallah. So nice of you. Okay. Okay. So there is another one. They have something big. It looks like a reboot. So hello, how are you? Nice to meet you. So Juma Mubarak. So please let us know about your device,
This is multi-purpose.
but not very long. Okay, just small. One. Okay. Just give me shoya shoya. You are from
Algeria.
Algeria. Yeah. You met you, but you know too many people. Yes,
Hello,
please.
welcome.
How are you?
Okay, you can take this. It's a resume about it.
Okay.
So, I'm an archaeologist in the archaeology field.
Okay.
We need to do inspections before we actually do anything else.
Ah, yes. Go
Inspection,
inside.
It's the most important is knowing where are you, what you do with the stuff that we find.
Okay.
We need to know everything before
Okay.
we go digging and stuff like that.
Okay.
So when we do that, there is a lot of problems. There is a lot of dangers when you go out.
Yes, maybe there
underwater.
is a water, there is a sand, something.
There
Okay.
is caves.
So,
caves with
so you
pestilence.
send this machine?
We send this machine.
Okay, what this machine do?
This machine, if you wanted to go underwater, it can go underwater.
Okay.
It doesn't matter over here.
So you can send it into underwater, no
I can
problem.
send that underwater
Okay.
with wire.
Okay.
And you can go underwater.
Okay.
It has 6 lights, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Ah,
6.
okay,
So
yes.
it gives you a lot of space, so
Okay.
you can light it. You can see it over here.
Okay.
See, in the dark. It was here midnight, and you can actually see the water in front
See
of
the
you.
water,
We
okay.
have a live camera, so you
Okay.
can see where you're going.
Okay.
There is a live camera, and there is another camera. It's a GoPro, so you
okay.
can take pictures because we
Oh,
need to.
lifetime.
Yes,
Okay.
look at the back.
Ah.
So this one can go underwater.
Okay.
We have this for buoyancy,
Okay.
for the balance of it.
Okay.
We can actually dismantle it, and we can.
No need to build this one. Just I.
So we can show that. So we can go right here.
Okay.
And then it became like you cannot see it at all if it goes inside.
Okay.
See?
So.
It goes inside.
Okay.
And
Then you can close it.
Exactly. You can actually.
So
use
this is a device which can help us to look the places which are not seen with eye.
You cannot see.
Yes.
It's dangerous for you to
Yeah.
go.
Go.
You need to do it fast because
So it is like a reboot.
it is a
A reboot. So it is a reboot. Okay.
So we have a problem too with time. We
No.
need to do these inspections with
Okay.
a limited time, probably 2-3 days. Imagine 2-3 days with a large city. I mean, a large city underwater, inland. So you send her. in
This
the
is
air
better, huh?
wirelessly. So
Oh,
it can
okay.
goes with wire or wirelessly.
wireless.
And you can use an app in your phone.
Okay,
Use
to
Wi-Fi.
control.
Yes, use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
And
So.
you send it and it goes fire up. So this one is the big model.
Okay.
We can make another small model so it
Okay.
can go easier.
Oh.
We can make a model.
Like you can. This is a model. You can make big
Yes.
one, small
You
one.
can-
So
you
you
can-
can change the size,
Exactly.
and you can make
change it
more.
as much as
Okay.
you want. You can
Okay.
dismantle it, put it back.
Okay.
And it is affordable for students,
Okay.
just like me.
So nice of you. So thank
Thank
you
you.
for your explanation. So there is another one. So this is multi-purpose, portable and adjustable unit for physical therapy and rehabilitation. So this is the invention. So for people, those who are disabled, so they can use this one. And this one is for joint. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? So I know your device, huh? So this is new. How to say crushed? preheated polyethylene tube. So they make a tube how to crush this one, and if there is a damage to this one, they can repair this one with this. Okay. So you are from
Syria.
Algeria. Actually, I'm recording those. Okay. Thank you. So there is another one. So assalamu alaikum. So
Assalamu alaikum.
so same one or different
Right.
one? Assalam. Your son?
My fist, more fist.
Your son, your daughter, so whole family, yeah,
Family,
inventors,
yes.
family of
inventors,
inventors.
yes.
So
Family
see,
of
there is a family of inventors. So daughter, son, and their father, mashallah. So mashallah, how are you? Good, fine. English okay, Mafi okay. So the center with the new hose. Okay, so he made some invention on this one. So let us go to your father table. So here is the. So let us check this one. So they in this invention, new blazing technique with the filter metal ring with new tools. So they use these tools to improve the melting and joint for the copper. So this is their invention, and they have some new ideas on this one. So nice of you to meet you. Okay. So inshallah. So next one, let us see here what is the invention transforming polluting gas
Better, the best innovation in the world.
in the world because you made it, huh?
No,
Okay. So
professor here.
okay, electricity into electricity.
He loses
So
his hair while he's working in the innovation.
Allahu Akbar. So
Anybody ask about the innovations will lose his hair.
of course
Even
it.
you.
I make many innovation, but still I have some. But maybe my
You're handsome.
no. Thank shukran. You are from
Saudi Arabia.
you are
Germany.
German. So you are from which
No,
university?
he's Algerian. I'm from Saudi Arabia.
Saudi. Which university?
Which year?
Which
I'm
Jamia?
from university.
Okay.
I have my own business, QIB.
Okay. So you are working together, huh?
No, I am his friend.
Okay. So you are supporting him.
Just fighting with him. Just sometimes I make me angry and I make him angry.
So basically, you are from Algeria. Algeria, mashallah. I'm working in King Faisal University in Saudi Arabia. Yes, Saudi. Yes, I'm neighbor. So
الأحساء ولا
Alasa, Jamia Malik Faisal. So inshallah, see you around.
الأحساء University, right?
Inshallah, maybe sometime we get time, we can meet.
I'm working with my own business.
Okay.
I help inventors
Ah.
reach the patent and reach the product and go to the market.
Okay.
Now we have one slogan from people to market. And Arabic in the last night.
Okay. Thank you. So nice of you. Okay, people. So this is another section we covered, and now we will go to another one, and we will make a new segment for the videos. So thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.